Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 3,033 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines slip-on muffler, engine guard, windshield, passenger backrest, bumper, 14-inch handlebars, steel braided lines, foot brake pedal, and shift pegs. From Harley, it comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. The stripped-down trike is powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin Milwaukee 8 with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This factory trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels.
This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.